Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to remove your stories in Wattpad. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Wattpad. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Wattpad has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find various icons over here. What you have to do is tap on this create button that you can see in the navigation bar. Now after that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see all your stories over here. So in order to remove your stories, what you have to do is tap on the story that you want to remove. Once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find four options over here: share, view as reader, unpublish, delete. If you only want to unpublish this story, simply tap on this option unpublish. But if you want to delete this story, what you have to do is tap on this option delete. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. This cannot be undone. Deleting the last part in a story will also delete the story. What you have to do is enter your username to confirm. So simply enter your username over here. Now after you enter your username, tap on this option delete story that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here that story will be removed. So that is how you remove your stories in Wattpad. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.